Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make white chocolate cranberry oatmeal cookies. They're crisp and chewy oatmeal cookies with dried cranberries and chopped white chocolate mixed through. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. First, in a medium bowl, add in the rolled oats, flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Whisk them until they're combined and set it aside for now. Then into the bowl of a stand mixer or just a large bowl, and you can use an electric hand mixer. Add in the softened butter, brown sugar, and white sugar, and cream them on medium to high speed for 2 to 3 minutes until they're light, pale, and fluffy. My paddle attachment has rubber on it and it scrapes the sides as it's mixing. If yours doesn't, then scrape down the sides occasionally so the whole mixture is creaming together. Add in the eggs one at a time, mixing well after adding each one. Then add in the vanilla extract and mix it in until it's combined. Add in the dry ingredients a little at a time, mixing on low speed until just or almost combined after each addition. Once the last of the dry ingredients are added, add in the milk and mix it on low speed until it's just combined. Then add in the dried cranberries and chopped white chocolate, or you can use chocolate chips. Mix them in on low speed until they're evenly mixed throughout the dough. Then mix it by hand to make sure everything is mixed in. You can bake these right away, or you can do what I'm doing, which is chilling it and baking them later. So scoop 2 tablespoons of dough for each cookie and place it onto a sheet pan. Wrap it in plastic wrap and refrigerate it until you're ready to bake them, and they will last in the fridge for up to 1 week, or you can freeze them for up to 6 months. Just make sure they're tightly sealed. At least 15 minutes before you're ready to bake them, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Remove the chilled dough from the fridge. Place them onto an ungreased sheet pan, spacing them out at least 2 inches apart because they will spread out quite a bit in the oven. And bake them for 10 to 12 minutes until they're nicely browned around the edges. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for 2 to 3 minutes. Then transfer them to a cooling rack. And you can serve them still warm or at room temperature. And that's how to make white chocolate cranberry oatmeal cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.